Actually, this is a voiced consonant sound. You can hear at the beginning of the word right. It's not right. Not right. The word is right. Right. And at the middle of the word around. Around. It's not around. আমরা সাধারণত বাঙালিরা বলে আছে around. But the pronunciation should be around. Around. And at the end of the word door. Door. Open the door. আমরা বলি কি? Open the door. Okay. So now repeat after me. Class. Right. Rain. Rain. এই যে আমরা রিভার অভ্যস্ত, but the correct pronunciation of that word is river. 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 It's not river. It's river. Ra. Around. ভালো করে খেয়াল করেন। Around. Okay. Ra. Sorry. It's not sorry. Sorry.